Hello guys, welcome to my channel Atomic Bubble. Today we are going to see a Bitcoin technical chart analysis. So let's get started. So as we can see yesterday, like we had a Fed meeting, and after the meeting the Fed has indicated that they are going to increase the interest rate aggressively in September due to the inflation. Inflation is very high all over the world, and to tackle that, every central bank is increasing their interest rate. So Fed also indicated the same, and due to that, we have seen a bloodbath in the stock market. US market falls around 3%, and in similar to that, crypto markets are also falling. So today we are going to do a technical analysis of Bitcoin on 1 day chart pattern. As you can see, I have drawn a diagram which shows that Bitcoin has formed a bearish flag pattern. So what happens in bearish flags? So there is a you can observe in this diagram that the price of the Bitcoin falls very aggressively when then it tries to consolidate in upward trend channel, and once again it breaks down that channel, and then price of the Bitcoin or the stock falls very aggressively after that, where at the breakout point you can do entry and you can keep stop loss at the upward price of that particular channel as in stop loss. So this is a bearish flag pattern, and as you can see the Bitcoin has formed that bearish flag pattern, and also yesterday after Fed meeting it has broke the that flag pattern with high volume. So there are pretty high chances that now Bitcoin will go below towards 17,800. So let's see what happens as market move ahead. Thank you for watching.